I did not pay good money for you for your company. I paid it so that I could profit from your death. And when you die, and die you shall, your transition shall be to the sound of gladiators. I salute you.
Seems this world got you dead.
Rome has changed. It takes an emperor to rule an empire. I will give the people a vision of Rome and they'll love me for it. And they'll soon forget the tedious sermonizing of a few dry old men. Now they love Maximus for his mercy. So I can't just kill him or it makes me even more unmerciful.
Today I saw a slave become more powerful than the Emperor of Rome.
You're good, Spaniard, but you're not that good. You could be magnificent.
Win the crowd, and you'll win your freedom. I will give them something they've never seen before.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.